Hey, hi guys. Okay, now I will show you our oscilloscope. This is an oscilloscope 2 channel. We have channel 1 and channel 2. Okay, using a probe, oscilloscope probe, we connect either channel 1 or channel 2. But now I'm using channel 1. After put the channel BNC connection to the oscilloscope, now we can on the oscilloscope. Oscilloscope is used to measure or to get a signal from a circuit. Now, I'm going to calibrate this oscilloscope at 2 volt 1 kilohertz frequency. You can see the signal here. Okay, you can adjust the amplitude of the signal by rotate a volt division knob, and you can adjust by turning the time division knob for the frequency. You can see the signal is changed by rotating this time division. For measuring, you can just push the auto set button and this oscilloscope will measure it for you. Push the measure button and you can see the reading at the side of the screen. Here we have 2.01 VPP as input is 2 volt. You can read the voltage average, a frequency at 1 kilohertz, same as the input signal 1 kilohertz. You can get the duty cycle and rise time for the signal.